Good morning. It's Wednesday, July 17th, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. A little more activity on radar this morning as we get started. We saw some thunderstorms developing in northeast Alabama, and they just continued to build up as they moved into northwest Georgia. And it looks like they're going to hold together for a while as they continue to move up toward the North Georgia mountains. Line of thunderstorms moving into Atlanta as well. So nothing severe with these storms at the moment, but if you get underneath one of these cells, expect some heavy rainfall. They are moving fairly quickly, so our flood risk is not going to be all that high, but we will see some very heavy rain with some of these cells as they continue to move into parts of North Georgia. Let's take a look at our temperatures as we get started this morning. Yeah, things are fairly warm, with the exception of being under those showers where we have the low 70s, mid-70s over a good part of the state, upper 70s, and getting close to 80 already this morning from Savannah down to Brunswick along the coastline, and Valdosta also checking in at 79. Let's take a look at our weather model through the morning. Had to go with a different model today, going with a regional look here just because all the other ones couldn't really figure out those thunderstorms in northwest Georgia. They didn't really think that the atmosphere was going to be ready to get those storms to develop, but I found one model that did, so we'll stick to this one. So this also gives us a little regional look to see what's going on around the area. So by 9 o'clock this morning, we see the thunderstorms right over Atlanta, maybe east Atlanta toward Conyers, and storms over the mountains. We head toward 10, 11. This is going to be noon today. Widespread thunderstorms throughout the state. We're also watching another line down in South Georgia, right along the Florida line. We could see some strong thunderstorms there. Let's head toward 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock this afternoon. Still a lot of activity across the state. I think this model is going to pretty much hit it right on. It's going to be an active weather day across the state. And then as we head into the late afternoon, into the evening hours, still looking at those storms, mainly in South Georgia, starting to dissipate a bit as we head toward the late night hours tonight. And then as we move, this is going to be 1 a.m. Things are pretty quiet overnight, maybe some showers up in the mountains. And then getting started tomorrow morning, things are fairly quiet until we head into the mid-afternoon hours. So this is going to be, I got to do my quick math here. This is going to be at 10 a.m., and now we head toward 11, noon, 1 o'clock tomorrow, and then continuing on into tomorrow afternoon, early tomorrow evening, still looking at those showers and thunderstorms around the state. Maybe a little better chance of thunderstorms where you are for tomorrow, and then the clouds will continue to increase. Still a lot of humidity as we wrap up the week, head into the weekend with more thunderstorms. With the cloud cover, we're going to bring our highs down a little bit, just a few notches on Saturday and Sunday, but as I mentioned, still very humid, so we'll be dealing with those heat index values still around 100 degrees through the weekend. So good chance of rain for you today, a little better chance tomorrow, and then those showers still lingering around all the way into the weekend. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.